Hi everyone, welcome to my bathroom.
So currently, my life is a mess. So I'm gonna be doing one thing where I can be in control.
And that is dyeing my hair. So this is what my hair looks like currently. It's not that bad, but I think I need something.
I need something, you know?
And I'm missing something.
And I think that something is
So join me in this journey of dyeing my hair.
I'm not trying to flex, but
This is a trendy color. It says right here. I have proof. And not just that. Serum type. Serum type. I don't know what the serum type is. But let's move on. Vegan formula. 3 herb extracts. 3, not just 1. 3. And 9 vegan oil complex. Not just regular oil. Oil complex.
I think it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna fix my life.
Let's open the box. Ooh. Yes. Wow. I think I'm supposed to mix these 1 and 2. So it has the receipt. If you guys are willing to reimburse. This is the packet for the gloves and the instructions. Hopefully there's like photos because I don't want to read.
I need photos.
I'm a visual person. Okay, let's see. Ooh. It has photos. Yes. Number 1, we have the number 1 here. I wish on who's number 1. What? Did you guys hear that? It's kind of weird. Oh, almost dropped it. Just like how he dropped me. I keep hearing things. Hello? Gloves here has the protector for my outfit. My perfect black sad girl outfit. No, I don't want to ruin my outfit. I should change. Number 2, squeeze in all of the number 1, color in, blah, blah, blah. Number 3, shake the bottle, blah, blah, blah. Gently massage it, blah, blah, blah. Scissors and fingers. Okay, how long do I have to leave it on? Half an hour. 30 minutes is half an hour. Fun fact. Oh yeah, I'm sorry about the echo. It's just the bathroom. If I open the door, does it sound better? It sounds better, but I'm kind of digging my bathroom voice. Kind of raspy and sexy, but hello? That's boring. Hello, 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 hello. Bathroom voice. I forgot to show you guys. It comes with a Dr. Bond oil shampoo. Hopefully my hair would look like this. Look at that. So my hair right now it's like copper brown, dark brown, not really dark, but rusty brown. I don't know how to describe my hair, but it looks rusty. So I want to tone my hair a little bit darker. I want everything to be darker, I guess. I don't know if I should show the process. It's gonna be a bit messy. If you guys like messy, then go ahead and watch me dye my hair. So I'll change my outfit because I don't want to ruin my sad girl outfit. Welcome back. I'm guessing this is the glove. Okay, I'm wrong. This is the gloves right here. This is so nice, so professional. I'm shook. Use the sharp end of the cap to part the hair. Basically just go stab yourself without hurting yourself. So I'm a little nervous, not because of my hair, but as I mentioned, This is not my bathroom, you guys. So I don't wanna be putting hair dye all over the place. So I gotta be clean. I gotta make sure everything's clean. I don't know if I can record everything. I'll do the best that I can because I guess some people are interested in watching people dye their hair and maybe potentially ruin their life or potentially make their life
tolerable.
I'll be doing it inside the shower. No peeking.
I changed my top again because I don't want to stay in my Lilo and Stitch PJs.
I'm doing my own sound effects.
So this is the moment of truth. As you can see, there's a before and a during for comparison because sometimes we are blind and we don't see a difference. Just like in life, you think you're not moving forward, but you are. Sometimes you just gotta look back to see. What am I saying? This is a hair tutorial. Shut up, Hazel. Okay, I'm back. Hi, everyone. Don't mind the background noise because my cat is watching TV. But yeah, here's the result. Also, please don't mind the faces that I'm making. I know it's cringe. As I'm watching this, I'm cringing so hard, but you just have to suffer with me. I guess we're all in this together, right? Actually, I have a question for you guys. I want to dye my hair darker, maybe like black, like jet black. What do you guys think? You think it will look good? Because now it's starting to fade, and I hate that. What if I want to dye my hair blonde or like bleach my hair? So I don't know if I should actually do it. Let me know. Let me know what you think. And I'm also gonna cut my hair. I'm gonna do the I think it's the butterfly cut. I saw it all over TikTok and I want to try it out. Yeah. If you want to watch that, please subscribe, like this video because yeah, I don't know. That's what people say. That's what YouTubers say. So I'm just trying to belong. I just want to belong somewhere. Just kidding. I'm not really that dramatic in real life. Just kidding, I am. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. I should go now. Okay. Okay. Bye. Okay. I love you. Just kidding. I don't love you. You're alone. Bye.